Hello, I'm Gavin Watson from Autopost, and today I'm going to run you through how to set up your Facebook Autopost account with us. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to log in to the account, to the control panel, and I'm going to run through how to get your account set up and get your Facebook Autopost posting to your Facebook page for your radio station. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Autopost website and click here, the client login. And what we're going to do is log in with the account details that were sent to you in your welcome email. You will have received two emails from us, one saying welcome to Autopost, and the second one will have contained your control panel login details. So we just need to enter those. Okay, and here's your main menu. And what we're going to do today is we're going to be configuring the Facebook Autopost. We've already got a video tutorial for Twitter, and today we're going to be doing Facebook. So if we just click on the Facebook configuration button, here you'll see that there are some settings. Some of them are mandatory, and others are just how you want your posts to appear. So whether you want artist images or cover art to be posted, and some of the affiliate items as well. So first of all, we're going to enter some basic details. So we're going to be entering here your the URL for your Facebook page. So if we just go ahead and enter that in here, and this is the page that you link out to on your website, and it just tells people where your Facebook radio station page is. So this is the one that we're going to be considering. We're going to be configuring today. It's just a demo account that we have. I'm going to type in my name. My email address is going to be, there we go, and the radio station name as well, and the URL for the radio station. So this part is important because just let me finish typing this. These, both the radio station name and the URL will actually be used in the posts. So it's a very good idea that you enter the correct details here, because if not, some of the links in the posts will be incorrect. So this is just some information that will be used later on, and also these two will certainly be used in the posts that are made to your Facebook page. So that's that part done. Now we need to enter your streaming server information. Now this is where we will be getting the now playing song from. So this is important that it's filled in accurately. So what we need to be doing here is picking the type of server that you use. So you can pick from Shoutcast, Icecast, Radionomy, RadioJar, and many, many more. So you just pick the streaming server that you use. This is information that will have been provided to you from your streaming hosting company. So you see when we pick Shoutcast version 1 in the drop-down box, we get another two mandatory pieces of information here. If we were to pick Shoutcast version 2, you see that we need a bit more information. So we're using Shoutcast version 1, and in the server host name, we just need to enter the host name for your streaming server. Again, this will have been provided to you by your stream hosting company. Note here it says without HTTP, so just the host name. You can also use the IP address if you were given an IP address instead of a host name. That's absolutely fine. And in server port, we want to be entering the correct server port for your streaming server. So that's it. That's all we need to do for the streaming server part. Now what I suggest you do here is there is an option for you to actually test the response, which is what we see. Now, before you do that, as it says here, to test the server response, you must first save the current configuration before pressing test. So we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, even though we haven't finished. And we're going to click Submit Changes. So now this is saved, we can go ahead and click this test server response button. And if we click it, we can see that it's returning the name of the song that's currently playing on our Shoutcast version 1 server at this address. So this part of the configuration is now complete and we can move on. So what we need to do now is we need to configure the Facebook part of the setup. Now this is a little tricky, but it's required because this is what will enable us, our platform, to be able to post to your Facebook page on your behalf. So it is critical that this part is set up because this is how our platform interacts with your Facebook page, and it gives us the authorization to be able to post on your behalf. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to create a Facebook app. So to do that, we're going to follow the guide that was received in the setup information. You would have received this as a PDF attached to your welcome email, and it's also available if you click here, Facebook help pages, and you can click here and download a copy of that guide. So first of all, we need to go over to, you need to log in to your Facebook account, which is step 1 in the guide. Step 2, once you've logged in, you can go to the developers part of Facebook. So here I'm already at developers.facebook.com, which is the link that is supplied in the email, in the steps. And what we need to do is at the step 3 at the top right hand side of the page, click on My Apps and then select Add New App. So there we go, Add New App. Now it's possible that you may not have any apps here at all. So what you need to do is just click on Add a New App. First of all, we need to enter the name. So what we're going to do here is just put Hit Music Network 60s. The email address, just enter your own email address, and in the category I suggest that you select music from here. So we go ahead and click the Create App ID. So we've got a little security test here just to confirm. Takes a little while. This is creating the Facebook app, which again is required. Okay, there we go. So what we need to do now, following the instructions, we're at step, let's see, on the dashboard, make a note of your app ID and app secret. So dashboard. So here is our app ID and the app secret. So we'll need those two pieces of information. In fact, let's go ahead and copy those over already. So here's our app ID. So we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it here into the control panel. And also we're going to take the app secret. We're going to copy that and we're going to paste it there into the control panel. So there we go. There we've got 2 of the 4 pieces of information that we need. And finally, on the guide, step 13, click on App Review and make it live. So it says your app is in development and unavailable. So we need to just click on that switch. Do you want to make your app public? Confirm, yes, and there we go. So that's the app created. Now we need to create the token, the Facebook token. So step 14 on the guide, here's the link that we need to use, developers.facebook.com/tools/explorer. We just go there. Okay, so I'm aware from answering support tickets that this seems to be the bit that catches most people out. So let's take some time to go through this. So we're currently on step 14. So we've gone to the address developers.facebook.com/tools/explorer. Okay, step 15 on the guide is click on the Graph API Explorer drop-down box and select the app that was created in step 7. So we've just created an app. So here is our Graph API Explorer button. If we click on that, what we want to do is select the app that we created. We gave it a name, and in this instance, it was Hit Music Network 60s. So we go ahead and click on that. And then in step 16, it says click Get Token in the drop down beneath and select Get Page Access Token. So let's take a look at that. Click Get Token in the drop down box beneath, which is here, and select Get Page Access Token. So here's the link that we want, Get Page Access Token. Now it says if a pop-up box appears, click OK twice. Well, actually it doesn't say OK, it says continue. Let's go ahead and do that. And then OK. Okay, now that's that part done. Now in step 18, in the same drop-down box, so that's here, now select the page where you want the post to be displayed, which is your radio station's Facebook page. Now, obviously, it's important that you pick the right page, because if not, you'll be giving the token access to post to other pages. Now, you can see that I've got a number of pages here. We want to be posting to Hit Music Network 60s, which is the radio station that we're currently dealing with. So select that. So again, this is step number 18 in the guide. In the same drop-down box, select the page where you want the posts to be displayed, which is your radio station's Facebook page. Okay, so we're going to click that. Note that, I'll just click that now. Note that we already have an access token here, but it's not ready yet. This isn't the access token that we need. We need to continue through the guide, step 19, click on the button once more and select Request Publish Pages. And this is the part that gives the app permission to publish the songs to your page. So we need to click that button one more time and select Request Public Pages, Publish Pages, sorry. In the next pop-up, now we're on step 20, in the next pop-up, select OK. Okay, so now we've given the token, sorry, we've generated a token that has all the correct permissions to be able to post to your page. So we don't need to click submit. All we need to do now is just, as it says, the last step, step 21, which is make a note of the long access token that appears. So we copy that, and we're going to head back over to our control panel, and we're going to paste that in there. So what we need to do now is, it says underneath here, if this field goes blank after pressing submit, there's been an issue with the token entered. Now, if you followed all the steps, what's going to happen here now, if we click submit changes, is our platform is going to validate the details that you've entered. So if we click submit, just scroll back up, you can see that, well, you can't see because of the amount of characters, but this has actually changed from what's been posted in. And what we've done is we've validated that token, and it hasn't gone blank, so that token should be good now. Final step for the Facebook part is to enter your page ID. So there's a little link here that will help us do that. If we just click on that link, it opens a new tab here. And what we want to do is we want to enter our Facebook URL here. So just copy that and click in there and find, just click on the find numeric ID, and here is ours. So again, copy that, and we want to paste it into here. Okay, so we just click submit changes, and that's it. That is our Facebook app part completed. So now we get on to the easier part, which is where we want to decide what we're going to post to Facebook. So I'm going to just select very easy, now playing on, you can put in whatever you want here. So that's just a brief part there. And so this is the part that's displayed before the name of the song. It's a pre-song message, and then this is the part that's displayed after the name of the song. So now playing on Hit Music Network 60s. Click here to listen live, for example. And again, you can put here whatever you like. Okay. So now we're just going to do a bit of configuration, and these are the features that are available. So type of post, at the moment there's only one type, so we can only actually pick type 1. There will be more soon, and that will alter how the song is displayed on your Facebook page. Do we want to include the artist image? So we can click yes here, or no if you don't want an image. Do you want to try and post a cover art for that song? Again, you can select yes or no. Here, we're going to select yes. Do you want to try and post a YouTube video instead of an image? Now, what this allows you to do is our platform will go away and try and find a link, a video, a YouTube video, so that instead of just displaying the artist's image, it actually displays a link or shows the video for your users to be able to click on and actually go and watch the video for the song that's being played. I'm going to say no for that one. I don't want that to happen. Now, this allows you to monetize your Facebook page using our system by adding buy this song links to the end of each song. So if you have an Amazon account, affiliate account, then you can select yes and enter your Amazon affiliate ID here. And the point of that is that whenever somebody clicks on one of the links, one of the buy this song links, then it generates a revenue for you, and you can start monetizing your Facebook page. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to click no here. If I wanted to use it, I click yes and simply enter my Amazon affiliate ID in this field here. Same again, this is if you have an Apple affiliate, Apple iTunes affiliate ID, then you can use the Apple one instead of the Amazon one. So again, for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select no here. The regionality allows you to select which country you want to have used in your affiliate links. Currently supported, we have UK, US and Germany. So we're not going to use any of these at all because we haven't entered anything here. Use an override file. We'll go over this in some detail in a different video because this is quite complex in its own right. And basically what this does is it allows you to override images for that our database either doesn't find or some rare occasions can display the wrong image. So we'll not go over that now, and we'll go over that in a separate tutorial. Should I use a logo if no image is found? So if you've selected yes here and here for the artist image and cover art, it's possible that our system is unable to find an artist image or a cover art image. So if that happens, would you like us to use your radio station's logo instead? I'm going to select no here, which will change the behavior, and it will make it just post a text version of the now playing song. Now, if you wanted to use that, you simply go to here, upload station logo, upload your logo, and then select this to yes, and it will use the logo if we cannot find an image. Enable disable the service. So this completely enables or disables the whole posting service. So if for any reason you wanted to turn it off, you can just select disabled here. Obviously for the purpose of this demo, we're going to select enabled. And finally, the posting frequency. So how often do you want a song to be displayed on your page? So what this does is this sets the frequency at which our system, our platform, interrogates your streaming server and brings down the name of the song and artist, finds an image, and then posts it to your Facebook page. Now, there are lots of different comments and suggestions about this. Personally, I don't think that it should be displayed very often. I'm going to go for an hour. I think anything more than that, and you start spamming your page and your followers or likers on Facebook with lots and lots of images in their feed. This setting is absolutely completely up to you. You can select from 1 minute down to 24 hours. I'd recommend somewhere between half an hour and an hour. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to select it to 1 minute, which I do not recommend that you do, because what we want to do is we want to start seeing the images appearing on our Facebook page straight away during this demo. So I'm going to go ahead and click Submit Changes. So now we've submitted all these changes. We've entered our details here. We've tested the server. We've entered our Facebook ID and app secret and token, and it's been validated. We've entered our Facebook radio station ID, and we've configured the features for the actual posting system. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head over to the actual page that we've configured this for. And although I set this for a minute, note that it takes a couple of minutes for this information, once we've submitted it, to be sent to the server and for that configuration to be reloaded. Typically, it's only 4 or 5 minutes that takes. But then what we will be seeing is we will be seeing images updated here. So we're going to go ahead and refresh this page. Okay, so I've just paused the video for a moment or two. So that you weren't waiting there, and we can see now that a new post has just been made, and it has the information that we had entered into the control panel, which is this, and you can see that reflected here on the now playing, and the click here to listen live, and the image has also been posted. So that's it. That pretty much concludes how to set up the Facebook Auto Post part of your service on our platform at autopo.st. And again, in a separate video, we'll go through parts of how to actually we'll just do another test here and do the YouTube posting, so you can see what that looks like. And in a further video, we'll go through looking at how to use the override file, which is valid for both Facebook and the Twitter auto post service that we offer. So I'll just pause the video one more time, and then we'll see what that Facebook video, the YouTube video posting looks like on your page. And that will then conclude the setup of Facebook Auto Post. Okay, so that post has now come through, and you can see here how the post has changed slightly from this was the one that we had before. Shows an artist, an image of the artist, and now we've selected the YouTube feature, and it's got a bit of text here. Watch on YouTube now, and you can go ahead and click this. It's got still the same pre-song text, now playing the Hit Music Network 60s. And then click here to listen live, but you can also click here and it will load the video of that song from YouTube. So that is it. That concludes how to set up Facebook Auto Post on our platform. If you have any problems with this, then of course you can get in touch with us via email, or you can log a support ticket, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.